guys, how am I even looking? I don't know if you guys can hear me. I think I have cold. So I'm currently at my friend's place. Our sister is getting married today, so we are gonna party hard. I just wanted to start the vlog here. I'll carry you guys along. I'm just here, I'm resting. This is not the outfit I'll be wearing. I'll be changing my dress, but then I'm going to carry you guys along. I hope you absolutely enjoy this vlog. Catch ya later. Ella, 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 See my friend, Olowo Shibi. Say hi.
Hi.
Food is ready. Okay. Say hi. Hi. Latest bride. Hey. Hey. Soft. Hey. 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 Hey.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bride, say hi. Bride, bride. Oni lọ́jọ́ ayọ̀ rẹ díẹ̀.
Wọ́n náà ń ṣe pé Olúwa ó ṣe àyè rẹ ní àyè ìrọ̀rùn fún ẹ. Yóò ṣe ẹ́ ní akóredé. Kò ní ṣe ẹ́ ní akótilétà. Kò ní ṣe ẹ́ ní àjogún. Ẹwà wẹ́ bí Afọlábí ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ yìí. Ó ní fi dúdú sopó. Ọlá àwọn ẹni ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run sì nígbà wọn náà lọ rẹ̀ débi kọ́ wáyàwó mi kì í. Fi sí ìyàwó rẹ lọ. Sọ bí tí ó fi sí. Wọ́n náà bá fi sí dáadáa ni. Àbí o, yúlọ wọ́n ti fi sí dáadáa rẹ bí. Ìyàwó rẹ̀ máa ń mú gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Orúkọ
Hey guys, so I got back. It's like 5 days after. See you guys, the fatigue that come along with this stage of pregnancy is not his, like, hey, oh my goodness, but by fire by force the fatigue must go. We must be strong because this baby needs to come anytime soon. Yeah, so I'm planning to do a baby mama dance around 37 weeks or thereabouts. I don't know, but you guys should wait until the video. Like, you guys should expect the video. Definitely I'm going to do a baby mama dance because we must to ginger this baby to come out. We don't want 40 something weeks baby. No, we want less than. You understand what I'm saying? Like, we don't want 40 something weeks baby, we don't want 40 weeks baby, we want baby to be around. Like, the baby should come already. So guys, I don't want to ramble in this video for too much. I got back from my friend's sister's wedding 5 days ago. I think it's up to 5 days. Today is Thursday and the wedding was on Saturday. Was it Saturday or Sunday? Anyways, there's a thing for someone to see and to see your vision and dream with you. It is another thing for someone to support your dream with you. Like, they are two different things. So you guys, I just wanted to show you guys the surprise I got when I got back from the wedding I went to. I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. I got it unaware as well, so I just wanted to show you guys. So you guys, you guys, you see this YouTube dream, sometimes especially this pregnancy stage, like, I would want to film a video and to set up my ring light. God, it's usually very stressful, and I don't want, like, I usually don't like to set it already, like to leave it in the room like that. I usually like to unpack them and put it at their separate places, like put the ring light, the round part, the ring light bag, then the the rod, the tripod stand. I like to just put it separately. So I like the stress to set up the ring light. Gogonsha, I don't know if Obi was observing and all of that, I don't know. So I just got this and it's a surprise. I love it. Like, I love it already. It's like a tripod stand. Let me show you. It's like a tripod stand. You know, this is it, like, directly from the box. This is the box. This is what it looks like, and this is the professional live stream whatever. Let me move back a little bit. So here is it. I'm so excited about this. It has the cable. You just plug your charger head, do you understand? And this would hold your phone. This would get the light on. Like, this is, you just clip this one on a table, like this clip. You just put it on a table and set up your phone. I should have set it up for you guys, but I'm filming now. I already clip it on this table, and you just put your phone here and your light will be on. You can switch it, like, your light should be on. If your light is too long or too far away, you just control it, control the swing. You get it? Like, I love it. I actually love it. The fact that I won't have to start setting up my ring lights, it's a whole lot. Say thank you, hubby. I really appreciate these gifts. I just wanted to show you guys the gifts. I don't want to unbox it behind you guys. This YouTube journey here, we are in it together. This YouTube journey must work. Like, it must work. See how I'm sweating. Oh, please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't let all of this sweat be in vain. Man, please click the subscribe button, like my video, please. You guys expect loads of content from this channel. Oh, hey God, like, I can't scream this more than enough. Like, I can't scream it a whole lot. I just need to tell you guys, I just need to encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel, please. You guys subscribe to my channel. Oh, hey God, like my video, watch my videos, support this girl. This YouTube journey must work. So you guys, you should expect my baby mama video. Last video, I'm going to check my body. Like, we are going to initiate labor, like, naturally. We are going to labor must come. Oh, we don't want 40 something weeks baby. We don't want 40 weeks baby or thereabouts. We want an healthy baby, but then the baby should come already. See how I'm sweating? Like, you guys, I should end this video here. I'm already sweating. I think this lightning is a whole lot. So this has brought me to the end of the video. I hope you guys love the vlog you just watched. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.